Hey guys, I'm back with another video, another sketch with me type of video. I've been gone for like about 2 weeks now, and the reason being for that mini break is that I got sort of a bit tired. Like you wouldn't believe the back pains I get from slouching over and editing videos. I just think like a nice 2-week break should be like a good time to, revitalize myself, get some rest, get my drive back. And it's amazing because in that span of 2 weeks, I was still getting subscribers. And I'm grateful. I do think that if I had uploaded some content in the span of those 2 weeks, I may have gotten more. However, I'm sort of in that mindset that I should be posting quality instead of quantity. And it's funny because I'm hearing other people, and the advice they give me is that saying when you're this early in this YouTube career, you just have to be pushing out YouTube videos left and right. And I agree with that, but I feel like I don't want to be putting out videos too randomly, if you get what I mean. So yeah, that's that. Also, recently I got vaccinated, so my left shoulder, my left arm was sort of like, let's just say it wasn't there. It was not there for the typing and all that stuff that I have to do with my hands. So yeah, that needed to be recuperated, and it's passed now. I feel like I could type scripts and draw and hold things now. So yeah, I'm doing fine now. So yeah. Also, my artist analysis video. I don't know if you guys definitely don't know because I don't talk much on social media, but my next artist analysis is going to be Posca Demizu. Yeah, I finished the script. I finished recording the audio. I just need to do the editing, and hopefully it'll be done within a week or in a week. So yeah, please look forward to that. I've been thinking that maybe I should do like back-to-back artist analysis because those have been my main videos that people like and come back to. Like those videos instantly get over 100 views, and a bunch of people, like I get a big drove or a swarm of subscribers every time I upload an artist analysis. So I think if I want to reach my milestone of 1,000 subscribers relatively soon, I feel like I need to put a artist analysis video back to back to back. Problem being is that those videos take a lot out of me, like the script writing, finding the material. It's a lot, but I've done like about 11 of them so far, so I could pull it off. I could find the strength inside of me to do it. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking about doing like consecutive artist analysis. So if you see me do another one right after Posca Demizu, then yeah, we'll see what happens first before I make any promises I can't keep. But yeah, that's how it's been going for me recently. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying me sketch these faces that I've been doing. Just trying to, it's always nice to do, also to like brush up your draftsmanship, try to develop your style using reference and so forth, trying to, sharpen up your techniques and stuff like that. How are you guys? How have you guys been doing recently? I also wanted to mention this guy. He gave me a shout out. Chris Manson, was it? Before I, say his name wrong, I think it was Chris Manson. Let me check real quickly. Yes, Chris Manson. He gave me a mini shout out, and I'm grateful. Like, whoa, I'm getting shout outs. I don't even think I'm that big or significant enough for people to be shouting me out. I'm like, I'm still small time, but thank you. I guess this is my shout for him. He's also an upcoming art YouTuber, and I'm having this feeling that there's going to be a small mini wave of new art YouTubers, because you guys already know like the big named artists on the YouTube community, I guess. I don't have to name off a few, but you guys would know who they are. If you guys are into art and so forth, I'm pretty sure you know the grip of people that are up there, that are known within the art community, I guess. But yeah, I feel like there's gonna be a new set of people to, like, you know, be the new generation. This sounds so weird, but you guys know what I mean. Like, we like baby steps. We have us, the newcomers. They're gonna make, like, we're gonna make our waves in the YouTube art thing, like, you know. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I hope to see Chris Manson. Like, I feel like he's gonna do really good stuff in the future. And yeah, I'm just curious to see how far we're gonna go. Like, we just need to grind it out. We just need to keep pushing. But yeah, I'm also, like, thinking of content to do. Like, I'm always thinking of new, like, content that's interesting, and as interesting as my artist analysis. And I'm still gonna be doing my series of me talking about things, because I've talked about Heart Gear and I've talked about Burning Effect. Now, Burning Effect. Now, that video strangely is getting views, and I was nervous because I didn't think Burning Effect, or anyone would know about Burning Effect. It was pretty not known to anyone, so I didn't expect it to, you know. While I'm on my phone, let me see how much views that my Burning Effect video got. Oh, that's about almost 800 views, and I don't know why. It's doing better than most of my other artist analysis, and I guess it just goes to show that Burning Effect was like a mini hidden gem, and it really is, because it's such an interesting read. It's a very fun read. I'll give it that. It has a nice setting. It's like a battle shonen, and it has a good protagonist, and yeah, the lore is just really fun and interesting. If you're interested in, like, you know, just mini mindless reads, I would definitely suggest reading it. The Korean translation, like the official, like, publication on the Korean webcomic website, it's officially finished. I love the end. It's not really end, because they're hinting at, like, a third part, because, guys, if you didn't know, Burning Effect had a prequel called Control, or Domination, however you want to translate that from Korean. It's sort of like the prelude to how Greymark is the way it is. And yeah, I'll just say Burning Effect, you can watch, read that standalone. It's really good. I might do some more fan art on that, because Great is such a fun character to draw. Absolutely insane character, but, you know, definitely go read that on your free time. It's definitely worth the read. It has a nice art style. I love the action, and yeah. After this video, I need to find time to do some more editing. Also, and yeah, this isn't scripting, so please enjoy the long pauses in my talking. I also need to get some more sleep, because I haven't been sleeping that much. I feel like most nights I'm doing art, and I do, like, I'm, like, drawing a lot, but I'm not even like posting on YouTube, nor on my Instagram, nor on my Twitter, which I should really start doing, because that's what artists do, right? In this current climate, we post on all of our social media outlets. Yeah, I forget to do that. And that's not good, because having large gaps of no activity does not lead to followers, which is obvious. But I'm lazy. I say I'm lazy, but I'm putting up the effort to do this a lot. So yeah, I'll find the strength within to do this. But oh shit, I guess that's my cue. So yeah, thank you for watching this sketch with me as I blabber about stuff that I've been thinking about. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back hopefully relatively soon with an artist analysis, a Posca de Misu. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.